In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert an image into a Confluence page. Whether you're enhancing your documentation with visual content or simply trying to make your page more engaging, adding images in Confluence is a straightforward process that we're going to break down step by step. Let's start from your Confluence homepage. Once you're logged in, you'll first want to navigate to the right workspace. A workspace in Confluence is essentially your set of active projects or areas where different teams often collaborate. Clicking on workspaces helps you keep your work organized, ensuring you're working within the correct project or document set. Next, select the specific page where you want to insert your image. This could be an existing document where you need to add visual content or a new page that you're just starting to build out. Clicking on the correct page will bring up its content in your main window, allowing you to proceed with editing. Once you have your page open, look for the Edit button, typically a pencil icon located at the top of the page. Clicking this will enable editing mode, where you can make changes to your content. Now that you're in editing mode, find Add Image, Video, or File, which is usually accessible from a menu bar at the top of your screen. Clicking on this option opens up your media insertion tools, preparing you to select the content you want to display. Here, you'll see an option to upload. By selecting Upload, a window will open to allow you to choose an image file from your computer. Ensure your image is saved locally, and it might be helpful to have it in the correct format like JPEG or PNG for best compatibility. Once you've located your image file, click Open or double-click to upload it to your page. With your image now uploaded, you can see it appear on your Confluence page. You might want to adjust its size or position within your document to ensure it fits nicely with the text. Remember, keeping a balanced layout with text and images will make your page more appealing and easy to understand. Finally, after you've reviewed your changes and everything looks as you desire, don't forget to click on Update. This step saves your edits and updates the page live, making the image accessible to everyone who views the document. And there you have it. You've successfully inserted an image into a Confluence page, enhancing the visual appeal and clarity of your documentation. Keep experimenting with different techniques, and as you become more comfortable, your Confluence pages will become even more effective and engaging. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful.